To use our results now that we had for multiplying and dividing complex numbers, you can see that we've got to do both here. So it's a good idea just to remember what those formulas are and write them at the top of your page just while you're getting used to them. So for two complex numbers, Z1 and Z2, pen on, you've got, and I should say what Z1 is, R1 cis theta 1 and R2 equals, Z2 equals R2 cis theta 2. Okay, with these complex numbers, if you're multiplying them, see if you can remember what the formula is. So multiply the moduluses together, add the angles, and can you remember the division one? Divide the moduluses and subtract the angles, subtract the one that's underneath. So they're our formulas that we're going to use. So if we do these ones nice and quick, we've got A equals 2 cis pi on 3 times root 3 cis 3 pi on 4, and we're just going to use the first formula, okay, the multiplying formula here. So we multiply the moduluses together, then we have cis of the angle pi on 3 plus 3 pi on 4. We need to add those together. You want to get those over a common denominator. So over 12, that'll be 4 pi on 12 plus 9 pi on 12, which is 2 root 3 cis of 13 pi on 12. And you know, that looks sort of odd, I suppose, that way. You could do this, and you should do this for cis form in arg form. And my advice would be for everything in complex numbers, put everything in big A arg form, because that way you can't go wrong. So I'm just going to write that. We know that 13 pi on 12 is pi on 12 over pi. So we're going to go back this way. And if pi is 12 pi on 12, this would be minus 11 pi on 12. So our answer would be minus 11 pi on 12. Okay. For the next one, for B, it's already set up nicely for the division, one on top of the other, and it's already in cis form. So all we have to do is use our formulas. So we're going to have 2 divided by 4, cis, the top angle, minus the bottom angle. Okay, and that would be a half cis over 15, so 10 pi on 15 minus 3 pi on 15, which is going to be cis of 7 pi on 15, and that's going to actually be in the right quadrant for us because 7 pi on 15, 15 pi on 15 is pi, and it's in between, what's like just there, a little bit short of half. So we know that's actually in the right quadrant for us to leave it in the big A arg form. So what you've done there is you've used the two formulas for multiplying and dividing to take expressions that are already in cis form and then find their answers. A really nice exercise to finish that off. You could try finding these or use your calculator to find these in Cartesian form.